Welcome to Defi Crypto Today. Our topic today is Crystl Finance, a yield maximizer on Polygon. I kind of stumbled upon this project, didn't know anything about it, and I found a lot of fun things about it. So it's not a big project, so be careful. There's only $12 million invested in this at the moment, but it's been audited. And I'll show you a little warning at the end about the audit. Okay, they seem to have a sense of community. They have a lot of announcements, a lot of things going on, a lot of farms. They also have a very interesting MATIC faucet that I'm going to try to make it work during the video and see if it actually works. Also, I found that they have games, crypto games associated with them somehow. They seem to be managed by, run by other people. But if you feel like gambling, okay, when you, like for instance, if you click on the roulette, you end up on a roulette website. It looks like this and asks you for your MetaMask ID. I'm not gonna give it. This is kind of a basic roulette game, I guess, and you can bet your bottom MATIC in there. They also have the other roulette here that looks more like a real roulette game. Okay, it's got an actual spinning wheel and all that. I haven't tried it yet. They say that their CertiK is in progress, so perhaps you want to wait until it's actually certified by CertiK and then you can actually read the audit and see if there's anything wrong with it. But you know, if you're gambling in a gambling mind, then you can try it. Okay, just be careful. I don't know much about this, so hopefully there's nothing bad in the code to steal all your tokens. Alright, so let's check the actual faucet, because that's what I wanted to try. So we're going to click on our MetaMask. So we're going to use this one. Click on here. Next. Okay, so at the moment we can see that I have 0.001 MATIC only. So let's see if we can get a little bit more than this. Alright. So what is it? Okay, so apparently if you have any MATIC whatsoever in your wallet, you cannot get any. So let me try to switch that around. And let's try with a wallet that has nothing in it. So I'm going to switch to this account, connect this account, and this one has zero MATIC. Okay, so if we start with zero MATIC, apparently now it's activated and it will let us use the faucet. Polygon is busy, try again later. Okay, so when Polygon is less busy, maybe it will work. Anyway, you can try it yourself. If you need some MATIC and you have absolutely none, apparently it can give you a little bit. Okay, so let's look at the rest of it. They've got vaults. I'm not sure whether V1 and V2, maybe the V2 is the new ones, I don't know. So we've got these vaults here, and that's the yearly rates. Nothing crazy, but you know, up to 120% here, 872% here with this Sing and Rapmatic. So these are live apparently. Alright, let's look at Vault 2. Okay, automated earning, exponential growth. Oh, you have a button here. You can actually activate the compounding in the vaults. So that's what we've got here. You know, you can check these out. Alright, we have mining, Crystl mines. So You stake some LPs and you earn some crystals. Okay, so here you're getting 70x and so on. This one has no deposit fees, but watch out, some of them have deposit fees. Like this one, they're charging you to deposit on USDT and MATIC. So the others seem to be 0%. Okay, so we've got pools here. And you can get some pretty sexy APY on Auto Crystl. So this is a little bit like Pancake Swap, the way it's designed. You got your Auto Crystl, your manual Crystl, you can earn bananas and whatever else you got here. Okay, what else? Hidden gems, what's that? Okay, so it's an experimental space. You can earn third-party tokens without risk to your principal Crystl investment. Use at your best judgment and always do your own research. So apparently these are third-party tokens that anybody can add to this, I guess. So be careful when you use them. Alright, and we have jewels, whatever those are. Okay, so you stake these tokens and you earn some crystals and you get these APRs here. Alright. Okay. We also have a swapping at the exchange. Typical swapping. You can create liquidity pairs. And they got, okay, and the information about their audit you find here. Got their documentation. Here in the community you get access to the list of all their community social websites. Okay. Now they have a lot of channels for various languages. And they also have information in Spanish, so they have YouTube in Spanish as well, and Medium in Spanish, English and Spanish, both of them. Okay, so I wanted to show you the audit. So from the website you can on the main website you can access the audit, and this is it was done by HashX here in June. I'll bring you to, these are the issues that were found. Formatting is not amazing here, but if we go down here we can have a better look. So there is one medium issue. In my book, a medium issue is a greater risk. Okay, now it's a little bit technical, but basically the auditors recommend that the programmers change the minimum delay for transactions here. Okay, because they think it's not safe the way it's done right now. So somebody could exploit this and take the money out. Then they have a few lower issues. Some of them were dealt with, some of them weren't. Okay, but to me that's a red flag, this one here. Okay, so be careful if you want to play with this project. It looks like there's a window open to let somebody do nefarious things. Okay, other than that, it's kind of nice that it has a faucet, although it didn't quite work when we tried it. But you know, the facility seems to be there. It probably works at some point. And also, if you like gambling, well, they've got some gaming roulette features like this one. Okay, so that's it for this video. if you like this kind of stuff, please hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so that you know that I'm publishing more videos. Lots of videos are coming, so don't forget. And we still have our free book. Download it, it's free. It gives you very interesting crypto strategies with low risk. And if you don't want it for free, go to Amazon, pay $5.99 so that Jeff Bezos can give me $1. All right, that's it. Bye.